So, you've heard about Raiz and you're wondering, how much money do I actually need to get started? It's a great question, and the answer is probably a lot less than you think. Let's break it down. The absolute minimum amount you need to start investing with Raiz is just $5. That's it. $5. You can literally start with a single note from your wallet. Raiz is a micro-investing platform, and its whole philosophy is built around making investing accessible for everyone, especially if you don't have thousands of dollars sitting around. There are a few ways to get that money into your account. The most famous feature is the roundups function. You link your debit or credit card, and every time you make a purchase, Raiz rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, if you buy a coffee for $4.50, Raiz saves the 50 cents. Once those roundups add up to $5, it transfers the money from your linked bank account and invests it. It's investing your spare change without even thinking about it. But you don't have to use roundups. You can also make a lump sum deposit of as little as $5 at any time. Or, if you want to be more consistent, you can set up recurring investments, whether that's $5 a day, a week, or a month. The flexibility is a big part of the appeal. Now, a quick word on fees. While the minimum to invest is low, Raiz does have a monthly account fee, which can be a significant percentage of your returns if your balance is small. For balances under a certain amount, the monthly fee is a fixed dollar amount, but once you grow your balance past that threshold, it switches to a percentage of your total balance. So, it's something to be aware of and factor into your investment strategy. The real key here is that Raiz lowers the barrier to entry. It's designed to help you start building a habit of investing. You can begin with a small amount, see how it works, and get comfortable with the process. The important part isn't the starting amount, it's the act of starting itself. Once you're in, you can add more whenever you feel ready, and watch your investments grow over time.